Fall's finally rolling here in North Texas, and that means it's time to start thinking about protecting those exterior water faucets. Every year around this time, I get messages from homeowners saying, "Hey, do I really need those faucet covers?" And the answer is an absolute yes. So you avoid frozen pipes and interior flooding. There are two main types you'll see out there: the styrofoam ones with the little rubber loop that secures around the faucet, and then there's what's called a sock faucet cover, which just slides over and tightens around it. Both do the job, it just really comes down to personal preference. The key is not waiting until the freeze hits to go buy them. Once that cold front's on the radar, Lowe's and Home Depot sell out fast, and I mean like gone fast. So do yourself a favor, grab a couple now, throw them in the garage, and you'll be ready when the temps drop. A little prep now saves big headache for later. And if you've watched this video this long, be sure to smash that like button and follow too for more videos. Thanks again for watching and have a fantastic week.